All right, let's look at this first question. Miss Woodley bought some candy bars for her kids. If Miss Woodley splits all of the candy bars between her two kids, what fractional amount of candy bars will each of her kids receive? Okay, so she has two kids, and she's going to split all of the candy between them. Okay, so what I like to do is I'm going to draw a picture of her two kids. Okay, I know that I can count the candy bars and figure out how many candy bars there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there are 8 candy bars. And I want to know the fractional amount. So there is a total of 8 candy bars. I know that the fraction, the denominator of my fraction, is going to be 8. Okay? So this could be kid 1, kid 2. Kid 1, kid 2. Kid 1, kid 2. Kid 1, kid 2. All of the candy bars are taken. There's no candy bars left over. And now I'm just going to double check that each kid got the same amount of candy bars. Kid 1 has 1, 2, 3, 4. Kid 2 has 1, 2, 3, 4. So kid 1 has 4/8 of the candy bars, and kid 2 has 4/8 of the candy bars. They both have the same amount of candy, of the candy bars, and then this is putting it into the fractional amount. So each kid receives 4 candy bars, or they received 4/8 of the candy bars.